Hi there, my name is Chioma. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Today I'll be making 2 recipes with plantain. Let's start with the pancake. So I'm going to be using the overripe plantain, which is the star of the show. It gives the plantain its sweetness and taste. If you have overripe plantains that are no longer good for frying or cooking, then this is one way of using it up. I have plain flour here and I'm using just 1 cup in this recipe. I'm going to use 2 eggs. I also have evaporated milk, butter, which I'm going to melt before using it. I am using nutmeg as my spice. You can either use the ground one or you can use the whole nutmeg, which you have to grate first before you add it into your recipe. Now let's cook. Peel and chop the plantain into a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can grate it or mash it up. However, it won't have that pancake smoothness when you finish. Crack in the eggs. Add the milk and the melted butter too. Now cover and blend it to a puree. Pour into a bowl and mix in the flour and the nutmeg. It is good to sieve in your flour because it breaks up any lumps in it. It also helps to give your cake or pancake, a lighter texture. If your flour has been open for a long time, there are chances that weevils may have entered into it. That's why it's really important that you sieve your flour. After mixing, we'll cook our pancake. Add a little oil in the pan, and once it's hot, scoop in a spoon or 2. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Allow to cook on one side. Flip to cook the other side too. Don't forget to use low heat or it will burn. Now I'm going to add more liquid to my batter to make it lighter for the rolled pancake. You can use milk or water or a combination of the two. Once mixed, pour into the pan and cook as usual. Our pancakes are ready now. You can drizzle your pancake with honey or maple syrup or eat it like that, and you can have it with your pap as breakfast. The children can have it as a finger food. It's very versatile, it's easy, it's something that you can just make for the kids and they will be happy with it. Next is our fried plantain, and I have 4 different ways that I cut it up for the kids' enjoyment. Let's go. So I have my perfect ripe plantain here, and I'm going to cut this into 2 different ways first. I'm going to remove the back and then I'm going to cut it into circles first. As you are cutting it, make sure they are not too thin, otherwise it will be soggy and soaked in oil after frying. I'm cutting the remaining half into cubes. These are perfect finger food snacks, and they can also easily toss them into their... You can also add them or mix them up with food like jollof rice easily for them. So I'm going to fry them now. Make sure your oil is hot enough before putting the plantain in. I used to think frying plantain is an easy task until mine always came out as a burnt offering. I now fry on medium heat to regulate the cooking. Fry the plantain and keep turning at intervals until they are golden brown. You can do with this plantain is to mash it up and put in your baby's food. This is especially good for older babies from 8 months up. They need to be given foods that are chunky so that they will learn how to chew better. Just add it to their cereal like ground rice or ground beans. After frying, add the next batch and fry to perfection too. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, please. Now I'm cutting the next plantain in 2 other ways. This is the old school way our moms fried plantain for us then. I will cut the next one into half, and then another half again, and then another half again. I call these plantain fingers, and I have a recipe for toddlers with a variety of dips on my website. I'll put a link in the description box below. Now let's fry our plantains. Fry as before, easy peasy. Not easy all the time for those that burn their plantains like me. Reduce the heat when you are cooking this plantain because it's chunky. Otherwise, it will cook outside whereas the inside is still not cooked. So these are our plantains all fried. What's your preferred method of frying plantain for the kids? Drop a comment below, let me know. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you later, bye.